November 20th again. You can see the water overflow coming down. Low plus tide, about an hour after the high tide. See the two islands of conifer out there. Pretty well flooded. Across East Quill Bay Road. See Donovan Creek backwatering there, the high tide.